OpenAI has recently launched a fascinating new model known as Critic, and it is creating quite a buzz in the AI community. Critic is essentially an AI designed to carry other AI models, specifically targeting error in code produced by ChatGPT. And if you wonder why OpenAI feel the need to create a such tool, the answer lies in challenges posed by increasing complexity of AI systems like ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, powered by GPT-4 series of models, is already pretty advanced, and it continuously learning and improving through a process known as reinforcement learning from human feedback. This means that human trainers review ChatGPT's response and provide feedback, which the model then uses to define this future output. This is where ChatGPT will be very useful, even critical. So this model, also based on GPT-4 architecture, was created to helpful identity and highlight inaccuracies in ChatGPT's response, especially when it comes to coding tasks. The main idea is that ChatGPT acts like a second layer of review, catching errors that might slip past human reviewers. And it is not just theoretical. The results have been impressive. According to OpenAI's research, human reviews equipped with the ChatGPT outperform those without it 60% of time when assessing ChatGPT's code output. This means that the model can significantly enhance the accuracy of AI generating code by spotting mistakes more efficiently. Training ChatGPT involves a process similar to what was used for ChatGPT itself. But with a twist, OpenAI's researcher had AI trainers manually insert error into code generated by ChatGPT. Then they provide feedback on these inserted mistakes. This helped ChatGPT learn to identify and correct errors more accurately. In the test, categories of ChatGPT were preferred over ChatGPT's in 63% of cases when dealing with the naturally occurring bugs. One reason for this is that ChatGPT tend to produce fewer small, unhelpful complaints, often known as nitpicks, and is less prone to hallucinate problems that are really not there. Another interesting finding from the search is that the agreement among the annotators or the people reviewing the category was much higher the question involving specific. This suggested that identifying clear objective error is easier and much consistent than evaluating more subjective aspects of code quality. OpenAI's research paper discussed two types of evolution data. First, human inserted bugs, and second, human detected bugs. Human inserted bugs. Human inserted bugs are those manually added by trainers. And human detected bugs. Human detected bugs are naturally occurring errors that were caught by humans during the regular usage. This dual approach provides a comprehensive understanding of ChatGPT's performance across different scanners. Interestingly, agreement among the annotators improved significantly when they had a reference description to work with. Of AI constantly refining its system, models, and overall vision on the global scale. However, a recent development has caught many by surprise. OpenAI has made the decision to completely sever its ties with China, going as far blocking access to its API within the country. This week, OpenAI made a big decision to block access to its site from the mainland China and Hong Kong. This means developers and companies in those regions cannot use some of the most advanced AI technologies anymore. This move by AI is not too surprising because of ongoing geopolitical tension. However, it is a significant movement in the AI world that could touch Cold War. This decision will have major impacts on the future of AI both in China and around the world. OpenAI's decision comes in response to increasing government demands and rivalry for AI dominance. This choice helps protect the company's intellectual properties while navigating the complicated geopolitical landscape. It highlights the growing digital divide between the China and Western countries, which is becoming a defining feature of this tech war era. This is especially tough for startup and smaller companies that do not have the resources to develop similar models on their own. However, the move could also spark innovation in China. Without access to OpenAI's technology, Chinese companies might push harder to develop their own. This could lead to newborn in AI research, making the Chinese tech sense more energetic and self-sufficient. Big Chinese companies like Albila, Video, and the Tencent are in good position to take advantage of this situation. This could lead to these gained making even more efforts in innovate in the AI and build their own alternative to open AI model. This could lead to rush of new AI research, increasing competition among the Chinese companions. On the other hand, Europe and North America might rely on the American-based AI technologies. This build could have significant implications for international cooperation, data sharing, and the development of global AI standards. By controlling who can use its technology, OpenAI is exercising digital sovereignty. This is a part of broader effort to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in many ways that meet ethical standards and security requirements. In the end, the future of AI depends not only technological advancement but also on the geopolitical categories. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching video.